Hello friends, so in this video we will see about the offset command. So you can see here I have drawn the line on scale. So I just wanted the offset of this line basically, right? So for that I just type here command offset. So just click offset. You can see here is the offset. Just come, then press enter, and now it is asking you to specify offset distance. See, near the arrow. See, basically near the cross arrow, see specify offset distance. So let me put offset distance as 200 mm, right? 200, press enter. Now it is asking to select the object to offset. So just you can click on here, and you can just make offset of this line, either up or down, either up or down. So you just need to click here. Just move your crosshair either up or down. Let me make it at a first up, then again select, and again I can make it up and down. Again I can make it up and down. Just let me make it down. Again select this object. You can again make it up and down. You can just do how many offset you just wanted. You can see I can just make more offset of this, right?